What's up, guys? Been a long time. We're ready for another old school build. We have a Redline here. We applied the stickers. Shout out to Rebel Art Design hooking us up with these stickers. I am gonna read the serial number to you and give you a little information. It says Redline Tri-Moly 86 110430. We slapped on these RL20A stickers, so let us know what you think, what frame this is. Stickers look really nice on it. We're doing a little bit of a purple theme, as you can see. Let's move on to parts. We got some fake Redline bars. Check out this sweet stem. That's a profile stem in the anodized purple. We have a MX1000 brake, as well as another one. This is an old one. This is a new one. We got this cool seat. It says Capriole on it. Kind of looks like an old dyno seat. We got some SE pegs. Some purple mushroom grips. We have a purple gyro kit. We have a purple sprocket with one-piece crank. These are purple wall Mission tires. And then these are hyper wheels. They're sick in the anodized purple with chrome rims. There is also a SE landing gear fork hiding back there. So this is going to be a fun little build. Make sure to check out some more of our old school Redline builds that we've done in the past. Enjoy. What's up, guys? We just finished up this Redline RL20A, or that's what we think it is. We're going to go through all the parts with you, but show you some close-ups of the frame. We want to thank Rebel Art Design for creating these stickers. We asked for purple to match the purple parts, so you did a good job at matching that up really nicely. Let me go through some parts with you. So we're going to start at the top. We have the ODI mushroom grip, Tech 77 levers, purple gyro cables, these fake Redline bars. This is cool. It's a profile stem, 1-inch gyro, MX1000 brake, or is it a knockoff? We put on the Cool Stop brake pads, the SE landing gear fork. These are Mission tires. These are cool. They're hyper wheels. So I haven't seen those before. And the nice chrome rims, maybe Araya fake rims. These are just no-name half-inch pedals, a one-piece crank, this cool purple sprocket. We put on a cam seat chain, TNT clamp, and a Black Ops seat post. This interesting plastic seat. Kind of looks like a dyno seat, actually. And then we have a real Diacomp MX1000 brake on the back. We have some Mission tires, purple grenade valve caps, the same hyper back wheel with the Raya type rims. And then we have the SE pegs in the purple, which is nice too. So we're going to post a bunch more Redline that we've done in the past, so check those out. Let us know your comments and your thoughts. And if you like the bike, if you like the purple parts, all the anodized stuff. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you soon.